guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a flip cup pour with some silicone using some leftover paints I had from my previous painting. So these are all just my cheap craft paints. I've got some silicone in my white and I'm going to try and layer these. And I've also got some silicone in this color because it's the scraped paint from my table. And I'm going to try and do at least 2 layers. So all of these paints have been mixed with some pouring medium. So I think it's PVA glue mixed with 50% water, and then I think I use about 50% paint, 50% pouring medium. Okay, let's do one more layer. Let's see. So this is an octagon. This is 30 centimeters and then it's 25. So I placed it a little bit more this side, so I've got more room. Let's see if I can. It's already going over on this side. Look at the cup. One more corner. Okay, let's look at it for a minute. Let's see. Okay, I think I want to go and take off some paint here because there's still a lot of paint on here. Okay, so let's torch this one. Okay, well, let's see how the cells grow. So thank you for watching. I'll show you the dry results. Bye guys!